Hi guys, this is your Math Master Vic once again. Thank you for viewing my previous videos. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now for you to be updated with my next videos. You can leave a comment below for suggestions for my next video uploads. This is part 3 of the topic Fraction to Decimals and Decimals to Fractions, based from Module 5 of Mathematics 7. Are you ready? Let's start. Assessment. Fraction into decimal. Express each fraction into decimal form. Round off your answers into thousands place. Okay, the answer must be in thousands place. Okay, let's go to 13 over 5. So 13 over 5, that could be replace it into 10 plus 3 over 5. Right, 13, which is equals to just 10 over 5 is 2, and then plus 3 over 5 into decimal form. So we multiply this one into 20, and then this one to 20 also. So that will give us 320, that is a 60 over a 100. So this will become 2 and 0.60 hundredths, right? 2 and 0.60 hundredths. So the final answer here, let's make it blue, is 2 point. If thousands place, we will put 600. We put 3 decimal points. Okay, we put 3 decimal points because it must be in thousands place. Now next for number 2, let's go to number 2. So I just cut the paper, so you could see here there's number 1, number 2, and then jump into 6 and 7. So I just cut the paper so that you can clearly see it. Anyway, just answer it by the number. 4 over 21 into decimal form. So how do we do that one? So since we cannot just convert this to 21 into 10, 100, or 1000, we just divide that. So 4 you divide with 21, so this will become 0.04 and 21. So that will be 40 divided by 21. This is 0 here. It's just 1. So 21. This is 9. This is 1. Okay, another 0. Up to thousands place only. Okay, 190 divided by 21. That is a 9. 9 times 1 is 9. And 9 times 2 is 18. So we have here a 1. Another 0. There's 100, so 10 divided by 21 is just 0, and then another 0. 100 divided by 21 is just 4. So 4 times 21 is just 4 here, and then 8. So the remainder here is 16. 16. The remainder is 16. So, but since the question is just thousands place, so we'll just focus on the 3 decimal places. So the final answer is just 0.190. Okay, now let's go to number 6. Number 6, 28 and 521. So we will divide this one. 28 divided by, 28 divided by 521. So we will put 0 here, therefore this will be 0.0 again, then 2800, that will give you, divided by 52, that will be 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Carry 1. 5 times 5, 25, 26. 2605. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 0 is 9. 8 minus 6 is 2. So 295 becomes, we put another 0, 2950 divided by 521 is just 3. 3 times 521, that will be a 3 here. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 5, 15. Okay, so this will be 7. 14 minus 6, that will be an 8. 8, yes. Then this will be 8 minus 5, that will be a 3. Oh, wait. 0, 5, 3. 2, 9, 5, 2, 9. Oh, this is just 1, sorry. Okay, this is 1. Okay, I miscalculated it. So 1950 minus 1560, this will be 7. This will be 14 minus 6, 8. This is 1. 8 minus 5 is 3. 387, and then we put 0 again. This will be the last. Divided by 521, that is just 7 times 1. 7 times 2, 14, carry 1, 35, 36. Okay, so this will be 3. Then 7 minus 4 is also 3. No. This is 6 minus 4 is 2. Then 8 minus 6 is 2. 223 is the remainder. But since we are just stuck up with the 3 decimal places, 053, but we could see here that this is a 7, so it's more than 4, so we will increase the last number 3 into 4. Therefore, the answer is 0.53, 0.05, it's not 3, but it becomes 4 now. 0.054. Okay, let's go to the number 7, the last one. Okay, 31 divided by 163. Okay, we will put it here. 31 divided by 163. 31 divided by 163. So we will put 0.0 here, 3, and then point here. Will be 0. 310 divided by 163 is just 1. Yes, 1. 163. So this will be a 7 here. This will be a 10 minus 6 is a 4. Then this is 2 minus 1 is 147. We put another 0 here. So 1470 divided by 163, that will be a 9. Times 3, that is 27. Carry 2, 54, 55, 56. Carry 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. So that will be 3 here. Another 0. 330 divided by 160 cannot be. Another 0. So another 0 here. 300 divided by 163, that is just 1, which is equals to 163 here. And then we minus, that is a 7. 9 minus 6 is a 3. And then here 2 minus 1 is a 1. So there's a remainder 137, but we will just focus on 3 on the thousands place. We round it off, 0.190. So the answer is 0.190. Okay, next. Okay, number 3, 2 and 13. 2 and 13. So this one also, we just need to divide it. 2 divided by 13. So 2.0 here, point here, put a 0 here.
This will be 1 times 13 is 13. 7 here, put another 0. And then 70 divided by 13 is just 5. Oops. So this will be 5, 15, carry 1, that's 65. So that will be 5 here again. 0, 50 divided by 13 is just 3. And then 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 1, 3. This will be 1. And then 4 become 1. And another 0 last. 110 divided by 13 is just 8. Times 3, 24. Carry 2. 8, 9, 10. So 110 minus 104 is just 6. Okay, so but we focus on the 3 decimal places as required as an answer to be rounded off in the thousands. Okay, 0.153, but you can see that there's an 8 here more than 4, so we will add 1, 2, 3, so that will be the answer will be 0.154. Okay, so here let's go to number 4. 5 over 35. Okay, I think 5 over 35, you can simplify this one. 5 over 35 can simplify it into 5 divided by 5 is just 1. 35 divided by 5 is 7. So that will be 1. We divide 1 divided by 7 now. So this will be 0.0. This is 0.1. 7, 3, 0. 30 divided by 7 is just 4. So there will be 28 here. And then 2. And then 0 again. Put 0 here, and then that will be 2, 1, 4, 2. That will be 14 here. 2 times 7, 14. 20 minus 14 is 6. Then another 0 for it to be rounded off. 60 divided by 7 is 8. 8 times 7 is 56. Remainder 4. Okay, now we focus on the 3 decimal places. 0.142, but there's an 8 here beside 2, so we need to increase the 2 with 1, so the answer will be 0.143. This is the answer, 0.143. Okay, let's go to number 5. 12 and 19. 12 and 19. Just need to divide it. 12 divided by 19 is cannot be, so we put another 0 here, so this will be 0. 120 divided by 19, that is 6. 6 times 9, that is 54. Carry 5, that is 11. So 120 divided, that is 6. And then another 0 here. 60 divided by 19, that is 3. That will give us 3 times 9, that is 27. Carry 2, that will be 5. 57. This will be 3. And then put 0 again. 0. So 30 divided by 19 is just 1. So this will be 19. Remainder, this is 1, 2, 1. 11. Another 0 for the last part. 110 divided by 119. This will be 5 times 19. 5 times 9. 45. Carry 4. 9. So 95. That is 5. That is 15. Remainder 15. But we will focus on 3 decimal places only here. But the beside 1 is 5, which is more than 4. Therefore, we need to increase the number 1 into 2, 0.632. Oops. 0.632. Okay, now what about number 8? Simplified, so this will be 16 plus, to make it 25, that is 5 and 4, that's 9 over 16, right? So this is just equals to 16 over 16 is 1 plus 9 over 16. Right, so 9 over 16, 9 divided by 16. So 9 and 16, that will be 0.0. 90 divided by 16 is just 0 here. 0.5 times 6, 30, carry 3, that's 80. This is 10, and put 0, that is 100 divided by 16, that is 6 times 6, 36, carry 3, 9. This is 4, carry 0 here, that is 40 divided by 16, that is 2, that is 32, then 8, 0, 0, 80 divided by 16 is just 5 times 6, carry 3, that is 80. No more remainder. 80 minus 80 equals 0. Therefore, we will just focus here. But we could see here that this is a 5. Therefore, it will increase. Therefore, the answer here is just 0.563. Okay, now number 9. For number 9, 17 and 11, so this is just 17 plus 6 over 11. So this is just 1, and then 6 plus 6 over 11. 6 over 11, 6 and 11, right? It's just we put 0.0 here, so this will be 0.5. 5 times 11 is just 55, so this will be 5 here, and then 0, 50 divided by 11, that will be 4, and then this is 44, 6, and then another 0, that will be 5 here, to make it 5 times 11, 55, minus, that will be 5 here, and then 0 again, last, 50 divided by 11, that will be a 4, so this is a 44, remainder 6. Now, but we need to just focus on the 3 decimal places. It's just 4, so it remains as 5. So the answer is 0.54 and 5,545, or 545 hundredths. 0.545 hundredths. Last one, 124 divided by 117, so that is just 117 plus 7 over 117. So this is just equals to 1 plus 7 over 117. So we will just divide 7 divided by 117. This is a 0.0 here, so this will be 0.0, and 700, this is 7 over 117. This will be 0 here. Then next will be 5. 5 times 7 is 35, carry 3, that's 8, plus 5, 585, that will be 15 here, 0. No, not 15, but 115. Right? 10 carry 1, 10 carry 1. Tama. 1150 divided by 117, that will be a 9. Times 7, that will be 63. Carry 6. 9, 15, carry 1, 9, 10. So, this will be 1053, 0, minus 3, that is 7. 14 minus 5 is 9. Then this will be 0 here. 97. Okay, 0 here. 970 divided by 117, that will be an 8. 117, 8 times 100, 8 times 117, that will be 936. So this is 4, this is 3, remainder 34, but we just based on here, but since this is 8, we add up 1 to 9, so that will become 59 becomes 60, so this will become 0.06, 0.060. Let's go to the next. Decimal into fraction. So express each decimal in the fraction form. 0.6, we put this over 1, then we multiply it with 10. This one also multiply with 10, so this will become 6 over 10. Or then simplify this one. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So final answer is 3 over 5, or 3/5. Okay, number 2. And okay, 4. So this will become 4, and then plus 0.3, which is just equals to multiply by 10. Multiply by 10 is just 3 over 10. So the answer is just 4 and 3 over 10. 4 and 3 over 10. So this one, divide it with 1, multiply it with 10. Because 10, why 10 only? Because the decimal place is just 1. So 1 0 only, so that's 10. So this will become 3 over 10. 3 over 10. Okay, 1.5. So this is just 1, and then plus 0.5 divided by 1. You multiply this one with 10. This one multiply with 10. This will give you a 5 over 10, right? Or it's just 5 divided by 5 is just 1 over, and then 10 divided by 5 is 2, 1 and 1/2. So the answer will be 1 and 1 and 1/2. This is the final answer. Okay, let's go to the next page. 0.22. Okay, for 0.22, this 1 multiply with 100. This one multiply with 102. So this will become 22 over 100 divided by 2, that will become 11 over 50. Final answer. Now let's go to number 4, 5.2. So that will be 5, and then plus 0.2 over 1 multiplied by 10. 1 multiplied by 10 will give you a 2 over 10, which is also equals to a 1 over 5, right? So the final answer will be 5 and 1 over 5th. Okay, 5 and 1 over 5th, or 1/5. Next, number 5, 0.1 divided with 1, multiplied with 10. So the final answer is 1 over 10. Final answer. 0.2, number 8. You divide it with 1, multiply it with 10, multiply it with 10. It will give you a 2 over 10, or 2 divided by 2 is just 1, 10 divided by 2 is just 5, 1/5. So 2 here plus 0.3 multiplied by 10 over 1 multiplied by 10 will give you a 3 over 10. Therefore, the answer here is just 2 and 3 over 10. Final answer. And number 10, 2 and 0.5 plus 0.5 divided by 1 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10, it will just be equals to 50 over, sorry, not 50, it's just 5 over 10, which is also equals to 1 over 2. 5 divided by 5 is 1, 10 divided by 5 is 2. Therefore, the final answer here is just 2 and 1/2. Final answer. Okay, good. Okay, I hope you can catch up with that. Let's go to the next page. Additional activities. Express the fractions to decimal forms. Round off your answers to hundreds. Oh no. Okay, so here 2, and you'll just divide this one with 2, this one divide with 2, this will be equals to 1 over 3. Now 1/3, you can just 2 hundredths, right? Round off your answers to hundredths. So 1 divided by 3, so this is just 0.1, 0.3, that will be 9 over 1. This will be 3 again. This is 9, 1, 0, 3 again, and then 9, 1. So since it's only hundredths place, so we'll just focus on 2 decimal places. Therefore, the answer here is just 0.33 answer. Now for 1/2, we can just multiply that with 20. Oh no, 50 to make it 100. And then multiply this one also with 50, which will give you a 50 over 100, which is just equals to 0.50 hundredths. This is the final answer, 0.50. Okay, let's go to the next number. Number 3, 2 over 5. So we will just, but this one you can just multiply this one times 20, and this one multiply with 20 also. So this will become 40 over 100. 5 times 20, yeah, is 100. So this will become 0.40 final answer, because it's just hundredths place. Okay, 3/4. For 3/4, you just multiply this one with 25. Just this one with multiply with 25 also. So this is 75 over 100. which is just equals to 0.75 or 75 hundredths. 3/5, okay, multiply by 20. This one multiply by 20 also, so this will become, oops, no, 20 times 30, that will become 60 over 100. So this is just equals to 0.60 hundredths. Okay, now let's go to the next. Express the decimal numbers to fraction form. Okay, 0.83, you divide it with 1, multiply it with 100 times 100. This one multiply with 100, that will give you 83 over 100, and that is the final answer. Now 0.4, you divide it with 1, and then you multiply it with a 10. This one you multiply it with a 10 because it's just one digit or one place, so this will become 4 over 10, which can be simplified. 4 divided by 10, divided by 2, and divided by 2 also. This will become 2 over 5. 2/5 is the final answer. Next, 0.24, okay, divided by 1, then you multiply this one with 100 because 24 has 2 places, so this will become 24 over 100. But 24 you can still divide that into 4, so divided by 4. This one also divided by 4, which just equals to 6 over 25. This is the final answer. 0.96, you divide it with 1, multiply it with 100. That's a pattern, that's a procedure that we need to follow based on the module. So 96 over 100, but we can still round it off into 2, right? Divided by 2, divided by 2, this will be 45, 3%, 48. Oh, over 50, we can still divide it into what? 48 and 50, we can still divide it into 2 also again. So 48 divided by 2, this is just 24. 50 divided by 2 is just 25. It's the final answer. 0.6, okay, divided by 1, multiplied with 10. 1 multiplied with 10, it will give you a 6 over 10, which we can also divide with 2. This one also divide with 2 to simplify. So 6 divided by 2 is 3 over 5. This is the final answer. 3/5. Okay guys, very good.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell, like, share, and leave your comments below. Please visit also my Facebook page, Math Master by Teacher Vic. Thank you and God bless us all. Have a good day. Bye.